fabulous Friday really for markets. We have seen the Nifty and the Sensex, the benchmark indices, surge over 1%. The Sensex at one point surged nearly 1,000 points. All sectoral indices inch higher, as well as, of course, sharp gains coming in from the heavyweights. So why exactly is this happening? Now, NDTV has been speaking to analysts, and of course, the key reasons really coming out are these three. One, of course, FI buying is boosting sentiment. Remember, that means investor interest is returning to the Indian market significantly, and that, of course, is a key factor. The other two factors really are, of course, potential trade deal, talks being finalized between India and the US, a potential trade deal coming in there, and reports emerging is another key factor that is, of course, boosting sentiment. And the third key reason that is boosting sentiment is India, of course, is the US and China tariff tensions easing at large. Remember, the tariff concerns and tariff back and forth from the US has shaken investor confidence, and of course, now with those tensions easing and reports coming in that both US and China are looking at measures and steps really to look into this and look at negotiations or look at some sort of a balancing act is also boosting sentiment. So really, these three reasons why we are seeing investors really cheer this Friday.